Hi everybody and welcome to this video. Today we're going to make a sharpener. First we need a new document, small objects, centimeters. Go to top view, select polyline, click anywhere 1.6, click here, go to polyline, click here 0.5, click here, and we need an auxiliary line, so check another layer, go to polyline, select midpoint, go to midpoint 2.6. Let me see this curve, click 0.5. Okay, select this curve, go to mirror, click here midpoint and clear. We need an auxiliary curve, go to curve, click here, select, let's to move from midpoint, 0.2, okay, and we need to create an arc, so go to this command, arc from start, end and point. Check this layer, go to fin and midpoint, select, first click, second click and go here. Now we need to make a fillet. Go to fillet, radius 0.1, click and click, repeat, click and click. Okay, select these curves, go to mirror, click in this midpoint, let me see, okay, select these curves and join. We can delete this curve, select this vector and go to extrude. Extrude close planar curve 1.6, enter. Okay, let's to make a shell, select shell, thickness 0.1, select this face and this face, enter. Okay, we need to create a cone, so let's to make it, go to this cone, but we need an auxiliary line. Check this layer, polyline, midpoint and midpoint, click here and here. Now let's to make a cone, select this command, go to midpoint, diameter 0.8, 1.5 and 0.2, right. Select this cone, go to move from anywhere 0.1 and move it. Now we need to rotate, go to rotate from center to center and rotate. Okay, we need to move, click anywhere 0.3 and we need to move once again, click 0.2 just here. Okay, now we need to create a surface, select this icon and select end, click here, here, here and here. Okay, we have this surface. Let me see, go to isolate. We need to create a rectangle, so let's to make it. Go to polyline, click anywhere, 2.7, 2 and close curve. Select this curve, let's to move from this end to this end and move once again from this point to point 3. Okay, once again only from this point to point 1, like this. We're going to copy this curve from this point to this point, select, go to transform scale to E, first point, second point, and point 2. Okay, select these curves, go to trim, let me see, select these curves, go to trim, select this part, enter, close curve, go to join, select this curve, and we need to move from this point, let me see, show your objects, and we need to move from here to this part, let me see, like this. Okay, why? We're going to select this curve and this surface, go to isolate, and we need to trim. Let's trim right here. Okay, show objects, and we need to move from any point to one unit, just here, and we need to rotate, so let's rotate from midpoint here, go to smart track and this point and rotate. Okay, now we need to select this curve and make an offset, go to offset, distance 0.1, and click here. Why? We need to select this curve and this surface, go to isolate, select this curve, and we need to trim here, just here and here, enter, show objects, select the surface, and we need to make an offset, but go to offset surface, go to invert, distance 0.1, solid yes. Okay, click, right click, change object layer. Right, we need to make a cylinder next to this tool and select center, the center, and next to quad, select this quad and go to this part. Why? We need to make a Boolean difference, so select this solid, go to Boolean difference, delete yes, select this solid and enter. This way we made this hole. Now let's to make a shell, 0.1, select this face and enter. Okay, this solid we need to change to this layer. Okay, and if you want you can move from this center to this center. Let me see, from this center to center. Okay, now we need to make a metallic piece, so check other layer. We're going to make this surface, so let's do this tool, select end, and let me see, smart track, just here. We need to transform this surface, so let's transform scale 1D from here to here, 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Let's to make an offset, select offset surface. Okay, the directions are right. Distance 0.1, delete yes, both sides no. Right. Now we're going to make a screw, but in this layer, let's to make a cylinder. Click anywhere, 0.3 maybe, 0.2. Okay. Now 0.3, no, 0.2. Okay, this part we need to fillet this edge. So let's make a fillet. Go to this tool. Look, select this edge, enter, and this is the radius. So let's to edit, turn off Smart Track, and let's to edit. This radius is very small. Enter. Okay. I was thinking we need to transform this part. Go to transform, scale 1D, from center to center, like this maybe. Now we're going to make a box. Height, not matter. Why? We need to move over this piece, and let's to move here. Now we're going to make a mirror from center. Click here, angle 45. Click here, and we're going to make a Boolean difference. First object, enter, delete yes, select and select, enter. This part we're going to move over this piece. Let me move. We're going to move this part here. Okay, we need to create a cylinder. Let's to click the center and diameter 0.3. Okay, and go to this center. Okay, if this piece is very big, you need to scale 1D from center. Let me select the center, and go here, for example. Let's create a box, a little box. Look, this is a little box. Let me see. Okay, select and move. Okay, let's to move and rotate. Turn off. Okay, select this solid and this curve. Go to isolate. Okay, explode this curve. We need this arc. Let's to make an array, but select array along curve. We want to repeat this solid. Enter. Select this way. Items maybe 20. More. 30. Maybe. Enter. Select these elements. Show objects. Go to mirror. From midpoint maybe. like this, and we need to make an Boolean difference. Select this object, enter, delete yes, select these parts. We need to select all these solids, this, and enter. Right. Let me see how it looks in a pen view. Okay, look. Now we need to duplicate edge. We're going to select these edges here, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Enter and join. Okay, shadow view, and let's to make an arc. Let me see, arc from start, end, and points. End, first click, second click, and let's to click here. Now select and copy, select this curve, copy from this point to this point. Okay, we need to select these curves, and join. Okay, now let's to create a curve from quad to quad. We need to create a network, so let's to network and select this curve. Okay, now here we're going to make a patch. It's very easy. Curve and curve, patch, curve and curve, patch. Let me see what is happening. Go to patch, select this curve, enter, preview, right. We need to make a join, and go to offset surface, flip all, distance 0.1, solid yes. Right. This part we're going to change object layer, right click, change object layer. Let me see, right. Let me save, and look, let's to import this file here, import, and we need to select an environment. I like this environment, but go to environment, back. I like color, maybe gray color. We need to select plastic, hard, and we can select maybe this, I don't know, roundness. Okay, go to clear, and you can select this material. Okay, right click, we need to select a metal, aluminum, maybe this, double click, roughness, we need to modify roughness, right click, show all. If you want, you can select other plastic, but we're going to make a render, so we need to save this file. Go to render, select a folder right here, go to Queue, add job. Maybe this view. This view. I don't know. Now go to process queue, go to the selected folder, and that's it. We have these renders, right? And you can close this file. I hope you like this 3D model. Please like this video and see you next time.